Hi, my name is Dan. We're gonna do just a short 10, maybe 15 hours on the beautiful art of folding paper airplanes. So if you just bear with me and my cameraman Mary, we're gonna be okay. To start, I think I want to show you the classic Patelli fold. Um, so you start with your classic 8.5 by 11 egg white or cream paper, and then you want to just want to fold it in a diagonal created sort of in this fashion. This is Patelli in 1929 pioneered this technique. He was a fifth grader in New Brunswick, and he showed us that if you just fold in half, you can just sight it, and if you just, well, I'm just gonna do it here now. Just fuck. Fuck. Yeah, okay.
Dan, this is stupid.
No, fuck you. All right, we're doing this. All right.
No, Dan, I'm
No,
done.
fuck.
No, you gotta help me
Fuck.
next week still.
No.
No, we're done.
Show it.
I don't care.